Hey guys, this is John from WaltonsInc.com and this is Meatgistics. Today we're going to do a speed test between a number 22 Weston Butcher series grinder and a number 12 Pro Cut KGFS grinder. Now, it's number 12, so it's got a smaller throat, smaller head, and it uses smaller plates and knives. But it's got such a powerful motor and it's designed for commercial use, so I think we're going to see a pretty close time, if not even the Pro Cut being a little bit faster. So let's get right to it. We've got 10 pounds for both of them, and we're just going to see which one gets through the first and second grind quicker. So that's the Pro Cut. What was the time? About a minute and 10 seconds for the Pro Cut Butcher Series number 22. And now on over to the Pro Cut KGFS number 12. So that did feel like it took significantly longer, and it was. This is 2 minutes and 40 seconds, where this was a minute 10. Is that what that was? So part of that could be because I didn't take into account the size of the throat, and I was cutting the pieces the same size I would for the number 22. So on the second grind, that won't be a factor, and we'll see what it is. And here we go with the second grind. Done. 4.5. Okay. So right in about line what we would expect with sharp plates and knives. I'm going to try the second grind on the Pro Cut KGFS number 12. So we're done. This got the second grind done through a 1/16 plate in 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Now that's versus the Weston Butcher Series number 22 that got it done in 4 minutes and 30 seconds. So first grind was quicker on the Weston 22, second grind significantly quicker on the Pro Cut. I think a good reason why the Weston was faster in the first grind was because I didn't take into account the small size of the throat, and I had to push those pieces down. Had I cut it up smaller, I really do think we would have had this winning both of them. Subscribe to Walton's YouTube channel to watch more amazing videos, or shop at WaltonsInc.com to find everything about the meat. Check out our latest sales and giveaway video here, or watch another hand-picked video by clicking here.